Okay, so hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get your free 20k hash 446. Okay, now I want to add 20k hash to it free. So how do you do it? If you know about this, you know that you have this hash card here, and when you come to this hash card section, you can see this is spider card. Okay, and this is only 3k hash, rate of 5%. So you can actually join or initiate. I'll explain that much later, but for now I want to show you where to actually get. You can see that I have only spider card here. By the time I'm done, I'm going to also have a Satoshi card here, which many people are waiting for. Satoshi card is actually like the highest, the most valuable of all the cards that are here under the hash card. So quickly, without wasting much time, how do you get this 20k free hash? I think it's as high as 120k. Okay, but the most important thing is that you get a lot of free hash. Okay, so what do? You come to white paper here. Okay, white paper, you click on white paper, and then when this opens up, okay, you don't need to do anything, just scroll down to the bottom. Okay, and then you can see this address here, this wallet address here. You need to tap this severally, tap it several times, just keep tapping. Okay, just keep tapping until you get a message. Okay, keep tapping, tap 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 tap, keep tapping, tap 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 tap. And if you open your eyes, you will see that something is changing. Just keep going, keep tapping, keep tapping. Okay, good. So here you have the message. It says, congrats on found the surprise. You have won the Satoshi card that has been deposited to your hash card. Good. So now we go back to the hash card. Here we are. Let's go away and let's come back. Let it load. And here you can see there's a Satoshi card now. Free Satoshi card with 20k hash at 100% rate. So yes, so that's how you get your free Satoshi card. So how do you now make use of these, either the spider card or the Satoshi card? What you need to do is you go to this Telegram group. Okay, this Telegram group is Core Mining BTCs Satoshi. You can search it on Telegram. You can search for it on Telegram. There's so many other groups like that. It's not compulsory you join this. You can join any of the groups as long as they are sharing hash cards. You see, people are sharing hash cards, different hash cards. So you just come here. What you need is this code. Okay, this code. This code. You see, you can see this code. This is B2 card. This is Ant card. You see, this is Ant card. This is Spider card here. What you need is the code. Okay, so you have two options. You can either initiate the card exchange or you simply join a card exchange. So if you would initiate the card exchange, you would come to initiate, then you decide whether you're initiating for 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, or 5 people. Okay, and then you say initiate. Once you click on that, it gives you this message, and then you need to copy this code. This is the code that people are sharing, this code on that Telegram group, or maybe on WhatsApp group, whichever one you prefer. You copy this code by clicking copy. Okay, and then you go to where you want to share, maybe on Telegram or WhatsApp. You paste the code. Okay, you say you tell if it's Ant card or B2 card. Okay, you say B2 card, and you can optionally say it's for maybe 5 people. B2 card for 5 people, 5 people. You can say something like 4 more slots left, or 2 more, or 1 more, depending on how many. Okay, so if you do this, people will join this exchange that you have initiated. Okay, and when they join, you will see, instead of waiting to join here, you see who has joined, who has joined, who has joined, who has joined. And because you initiated, you will see an option here additionally that says initiate exchange. Execute exchange. Sorry, execute exchange. It's not showing now because it's not filled up. I'm still waiting for people to join. So when you see execute exchange, then you will click on execute exchange if you initiated, and then the exchange is done. Now, execute exchange will only appear for those that initiate an exchange. Because you initiated this one, you will find it. But if you didn't initiate, you will not find it. So let's cancel this. Let's say you are joining an exchange now, you are not initiating. So you simply click. You can do it for your Satoshi card, or for your spider card. Just make sure that if you are doing for spider card, you are joining a spider card, you are using a spider card code to join. If you are doing Satoshi card, you are using a Satoshi card code to join. If you are doing Beetle card, you use Beetle card code to join. If you are using Ant card, make sure you get Ant card code. You see, this is Satoshi card. So let me quickly join this. I need to copy this message on Telegram. I copy all the text, okay, but I only need this. Let's hope this is still active. I copy this, then I go to my Telegram. I copy Satoshi card, so I click join here, and then I paste that code in here to join the Satoshi card exchange. And if you see, it says hashcard exchange joined successfully, and I was lucky to be the last person. You can see this is filled up. Oh, it's actually giving 120k hash, not 20k, 120k. Yes, 120k. So you can see final hash 120, final hash, final hash. So this is filled up now. 5 people have joined this exchange. So the person who initiated the exchange will see the option to execute exchange here, and it will execute the exchange. Because I joined, I don't have that option. I only need to wait for the person to execute it. So the good thing about initiating an exchange is that you will be the one to execute it. But if you don't initiate an exchange, you just simply wait, and the person who initiated will execute the exchange. So yes, that's how to use your Satoshi card, or any other card for that matter. You can do it for spider card, Ant card, B2 card, any other card. So once this person has initiated, I will get 120k added to my hash here. So this will turn 566. Yes, 566. 466 plus 120 will be 566. So yes, that's the secret of getting your Satoshi card, and also how to use it in the exchange. If you have any questions, feel free. Keep mining Core. If you have not joined, what are you waiting for? Don't waste time. Join as soon as possible. Okay, guys, that's it. Take care. Bye, guys. If you like my video, like, subscribe to my channel for more updates on cryptocurrency. Okay.